Good day to all. The hybrid air cleaner system kitchen exhaust hood is a modern wonder which comprises of a functional kitchen hood with an electrostatic precipitator built into the hood. Similarly to the OZ Clean system, this solution can solve three common issues from cooking: smoke, grease, and odor. The following will be a detailed description of the product. The hybrid hood helps to improve ventilation within the kitchen. The air curtain design is made to prevent smoke lateral leakages. It is quiet, vibration-free and can be used with or without any ducting. Moving on, the hybrid hood consists of these features: high efficiency, safe design, easy troubleshooting, splash-resistant, durable. Firstly, the hybrid hood system is highly efficient. This image shows how an ESP cell would look like prior to servicing. With our technology of the honeycomb ESP, incombustible oxidate are formed on the surface of the ESP cell, which makes cleaning easier and cooking safer for our users. Secondly, the hybrid hood system has a safe design, adopting an intelligent, industrial electro-control algorithm controller, control and setup of automation protection for cells short-circuit situations are incorporated within the system. High-voltage ceramic insulation can be seen at the edges of the internal ESP cell. It is not just environmentally friendly, but has a higher insulation quality as compared to glass or polymer. A knob is installed as well for easy adjustment of amperage. Thirdly, the hybrid hood system is easy to troubleshoot. With exterior indicators for start, stop and fault, it allows for quick troubleshooting in the event of any malfunctions. Fourthly, the hybrid hood system is splash-resistant. Fire-rated materials are built in. The internal components are protected with water and grease baffle fire safety design. This prevents the spread of fire inside the ventilation ductwork and short circuits to occur. Lastly, the hybrid hood system is durable. The product have no expiry date or depreciation in quality, as it is made of 304 grade, strong stainless steel. Nonetheless, the service and maintenance should be done on a quarterly basis to ensure that our product is functioning at its maximum capacity. Similar to the hybrid hood, our Fusion hood is a smaller scaled kitchen exhaust hood dedicated for fryers and griddles with the ability to fit up to 2 henny penny fryers. The Fusion hood design allows its users to install it even in tight situations. It can be sized at 1.1 meter, equipped with ozone eliminator to ensure our hood's ability to release the purified air straight back to the indoor area. Before we end off, the following are some demo videos we have done.
Okay, today is the 25th of April 2018. Right now we are at Fort & Hotel Asia 2018 at Suntec City, and we are right here doing the smoke reduction test using our hybrid hood system. Okay, smoke please. Okay, so as you can see over at the top, there's actually a lot of smoke being produced. Okay, right now we will turn on our ESP system. So as you can see, there's significant reduction in terms of the smoke being produced. Why? It has been oxidized by our ESP cell within our hybrid hood system. Okay, right now we will cut off the ESP cell. I'll show you. There is still a lot of smoke being produced right after we cut off the ESP system. Turn it on, the ESP. Okay, right now you see there's actually significant reduction in terms of the smoke being produced.
What we are doing now is that we are using a commercial butane burner to torch the oxidates on fire to find out if it's incombustible. As you can see, the oxidate is not flammable as it doesn't catch fire or ignite when in contact with open flame. This fire safety feature is one of many features our products are able to deliver for your kitchen solutions. Thank you. And we hope to serve you soon.